Yes, I am videoing you.
Mm-hmm. Without me even noticing.
Well, I did for a little few seconds. William's finished product of his camping area. So he's really getting into the scenery part of this deal. He's calling himself the landscaping guy, so any of the landscaping that needs to be done on this layout, I give my landscaper a call and he comes and does the rest. That's where he is so far on his road going up into the campground. But, I think it looks pretty daggone good. He likes it. I like it. He put the tents together. They were part of a wooden kit. Had some decals on it. And then there were some other Woodland Scenics characters that we put in there. And some cars. Looks pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Grandpa Rails Productions.